about small business and medium-sized business, not only in our riding but across the province. And I thought it would be a good idea to have this press conference here with Lorne, somebody who I've done business with over a number of years, both Charlie and I, in regards to issues that he's had to deal with, and about how New Democrats understand that to make an economy work, you need to make sure that you have a strong business sector that is there creating the wealth, creating the jobs, and giving the opportunity for our economies to grow. So without any further ado, I'll let Lorne tell his story, and we'll just take it from there after with questions.
Small and medium-sized businesses definitely are the engine that drive the economy in any province or any country. And one of the keys to our success is to ensure the working middle class have good paying jobs so that they can continue to support local businesses as they do in this manner here in Timmins. So we want to continue to have people getting fair pay, an educated workforce, a healthy workforce, and as a business that's been around for 104 years, we really feel that those are paradigms to which the New Democratic Party adhere to.
So we understand as New Democrats, as you know, I think most people do, is that what you need in the end is a job. The way you get a job is through job creators, and that be it through the small, medium-sized businesses. And one of the things that we're really interested in this election is giving these type of businesses and others the ability to not only to grow, but to do the things that they need to do. That's why we've proposed having, rather than across-the-board tax cuts, which we think at the end doesn't really work. I think history has kind of proven that, is to target our tax cuts in such a way that says if somebody wants to invest in new jobs, somebody wants to invest in new investment in their company, they're able to get a tax credit back. And we're also talking about reducing the small business tax from 4.5% down to 3%. And that's to help people like Lorne and others in the small business community to help make ends meet. Because as Lorne said, our minimum wage has gone up yesterday. That's something that's obviously going to cost the small business sector something, but there has to be an offset. And what New Democrats are interested in doing is supporting our small and medium-sized businesses so that they continue to grow. And we think that we have the plan that makes sense to make that happen. And with that, we'll take any questions.
Business people. Is that a departure for your party?
No, we've been doing it for years. First of all, the NDP has always been based on the belief that you need to make sure that you have a strong economy. Strong economies give small business owners and others a chance to make a few bucks, but also creates a much needed jobs. But the other thing is I've been dealing with Lorne, and so has Charlie, on a whole bunch of issues, as well as other people in the small business community, when it comes to the challenges they face from time to time interacting with government services or interacting with government programs. And Charlie and I and my staff have been very responsive to dealing with those particular issues. And for people like Lorne, it sometimes means the difference of making the payroll if you can respond to the issues that are faced at the day, because at times government puts up barriers to people like Lorne and they need somebody there to help navigate the way through it. Maybe you want to speak to that.
Well, again, as Gilles has mentioned, responsiveness in a business is crucial. And although some people may find this strange that a business owner is supporting the NDP, I don't find it strange at all, because again, we share a lot of the same core values, and those core values are good paying jobs, good health care, good education for the workforce so that the economy grows as a whole and the money just isn't kept in the hands of a very small few who are not out spending at all these businesses that are present in our community.
Are you worried at all if the party will be another?
No, I'm not really worried at all, because I'm just expressing my views and expressing my values, and I'm quite proud to say that I want to be successful. I want my business to be successful, but I certainly don't want it to be successful on the backs of others. I believe in a system that's fair and equitable, and I feel that's what the New Democratic Party stands for. And I'm quite proud of my position, and I don't fear any backlash. In fact, I think I'm embracing many of the middle class and the working class in the community. I respect what they do. They're hardworking people, the teachers, the nurses, the police officers, a lot of men and women working underground at these mines. They're the lifeline of my business, and if they're doing well, I'm doing well. A healthy workforce, an educated workforce that I feel benefit small businesses, medium businesses, and the entire community. As well, my personal experience with the NDP here in Timmins, both with Gilles and Charlie Angus, has been a very responsive representative. And as a business owner, we need responsiveness. We need answers to our challenges, and they have been very engaged and initiated with how our businesses are doing, and I appreciate that.